Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to understand NPM and Angular CLI. These both are most important and essential tools for Angular development. Before we start exploring NPM and Angular CLI, we will create a shared library inside the workspace that I have created in the previous video. This is the workspace name, my work. I have created this in the previous video, and in this projects folder I have created two applications with the name my app and my app 1. So in this projects folder today I will create a shared library named shared lib. Let open this folder in command terminal, and we can write here code space dot to open the code editor like VS Code. Press enter button. This will open this workspace in VS Code. Okay, so to create a shared library inside this workspace, we run a command here. First, we will go in this project folder using this command cd space projects, and here I will run this command ng g for generate library -lib and press the enter button. This will create a reusable Angular library. A collection of syntax. Sorry, I did a mistake here. And we generate the library lib. This is the right command, and press the enter button here. This will create a shared library inside this projects folder. So while creating this library -lib library, the Angular CLI will update the angular.json, package.json and tsconfig.json file also. So this library has been created and package is installed successfully. Let's understand how we create these libraries. The libraries are useful when we want to create shared component services or directives that can be reused across multiple applications in same workspace. So this is the library folder which I have created here. This has this folder structure: src package, ng package.json, package.json. This have a src folder, leaf folder. This leaf folder contains multiple other files like library dot service.ts, modules, components, spec.ts, and this public api.ts file is important because using this file we can export the service component and modules to other applications. So if I want to use this library we want to use this library, like if we have some button that would be common in multiple applications, so we can first import this library lib module into the module file of any applications in which we want to use it. So library lib module, copy it, and if we want to use this library inside the myf applications. So we need to import this library here. Also we need to add this like import here. So if we create some buttons or some reusable logic services etc which will be common in multiple components, so we can write the code, that reusable code, here in these files. Now let us understand what is this npm. Npm is a node package manager. It is the default package manager for node.js. While we are set up our Angular project, we need to install node.js. So by default npm install with node.js, and it is heavily used in Angular framework. Okay, the use of npm is install packages. It is used to install third-party libraries like rxjx, primeng, bootstrap, Angular material. It is used to run the project scripts, project command like npm start, npm build, npm test, manage dependencies, control packages through package.json file. When we need any package or libraries, this npm play an important role. So this npm repository provides thousands of free libraries, including Angular core framework, reactive extension, zone.js. This is used for change detection, primeng and bootstrap. These are the third-party UI libraries. We will be using these libraries for creating our Angular project more beautiful. And while we install these packages and libraries, these are stored in node modules folder. When we run any command, like while we create new Angular application, ng new my app, with this command Angular CLI automatically executes npm install to download all dependencies. So before Angular CLI, let's understand what are these dependencies. In this workspace that we have created before, let's understand the dependencies where store these dependencies. There is a package.json file where all the scripts dependencies are stored. You can see here rxjx, tslit, zone.js. As you can see here, there is two object. One is dependencies and another is dev dependencies. These dependencies are required while our Angular project is build up, final build. And these dev dependencies files or tools are required to develop the Angular application. One more important thing is these dev dependencies and these dependencies are both are required while we creating the application in development. Okay, on final build, or as you can say, when we deploy the application, we only need these dependencies. And we also have another file, package log.json file. This file has the libraries or packages version name. This file log their version, because uh, if there are two developer, they are working on a same application, and one developer is using RxJS 7.8.0 version, another. So to avoid the version conflicts, they both will use this version. Another developer do not use another version of RxJS. So this file used is only that purpose. Might be you are thinking how these dependencies come here in this package.json file. So there are multiple commands of npm like npm install. Okay, so while we run this command or another command, the npm works with Angular CLI. So how Angular CLI work internally? We will first understand the definition of CLI. So Angular CLI is a command line interface tool, which is a powerful tool provided by Angular team. This tool is used to create, build, serve and test Angular application with zero manual configuration. This is a powerful tool. This will automatically create your components, modules, services, pipes, directives, and all other things. It is also a Node.js based Angular CLI that every Angular developer uses it daily. So to install this Angular CLI, we already installed this command npm install -g Angular CLI. So when we created this library gg for generate library -lib, the Angular CLI and npm both works together internally. The Angular CLI creates this beautiful structured folder here with name library lib with zero manual configuration. Zero manual configuration means we don't need to add here like in declarations, exports with each component or services. It automatically added these things like this imports. This is a best tool for Angular applications. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will cover the project structures and folders. These are. Actually, I forgot to tell you the all npm install packages are stored here in this node modules folder. This is a very large folder in size in all over the project. It contains multiple folders and multiple files. When we are grow our project, you will be learn well all of these npm and Angular CLI, how Angular CLI works, what are Angular compiler, what is AOT compiler, how it works behind the scene. Thanks.